I am Dr. Volker Botha from Panorama Veterinary Clinic and Specialist Centre in Cape Town. In this video, I'm going to try and answer some of the questions that you as a pet parent might have with your pet suffering from a skin condition. Skin conditions are actually one of the most common reasons why pet parents take their pet to the vet, with or making up about 40% of the cases that we see. So I'm going to answer some of the questions regarding what causes skin problems in dogs and cats, what you as a pet parent can do to help your pet, and what to look out for to pick up if your pet has a skin problem. The most common cause of skin problems in dogs and cats is actually ticks, fleas, and other parasites. This is really easy to rule out if you make use of a good quality tick and flea preventative medication on a regular basis. The second most common cause of skin problems in dogs and cats is actually allergies. These allergies can either come from the environment in the form of pollen or house dust mites, or it could also be regarding food. So some animals can actually be allergic to the proteins in their food. Luckily, this is quite uncommon, but it is something that is quite easily treatable with the correct diet. When we try and determine which of these problems are affecting your pet, it is quite a bit of a process, and it's not something that we can determine in one single visit. It is really important to trust this process and work together with your veterinarian to try and determine the exact cause of the skin issue in your pet so the correct treatment can be applied. So common signs you will see is itching, scratching, licking of the paws, redness of the skin, blackening of the skin, thickening of the skin. You could also see pustules or pimples, crusting, or other signs like hair loss and a bad smell. They could also suffer from recurring ear infections. So the best approach is actually to make use of a varied range of treatments, including medication to relieve the itch, making sure that your pet is on the correct food or correct diet for their specific type of skin condition. You can also make use of certain types of shampoos to decrease the amount of pollen and allergens or things that they're allergic to on the skin, and generally make use of all of these products to get the best results. Generally, when we look at food and the treatment of skin disease, we can look at some pets which have food allergies, and for those there are very specific, well-designed diets to help not only make the diagnosis of a food allergy, but also to manage food allergies like proteins to which they might be allergic to in the food. There are also other options which have unique ingredients to help restore the skin barrier if they suffer from environmental allergies. So the most important thing to do here is really just to trust your vet, work through the process, and make sure that they can actually recommend the correct diet for your pet.